Now
we dey arrest. What? Oh, carry am where dey go. Jesus.
Hey.
Jesus.
Hey, calm down. That one I be dey sleep. Like that nonsense
Jesus.
go happen. Just
Wetin
wait.
happen?
Wait, calm down. Hold this
Uh-uh.
thing first. Hold this thing
Uh-uh.
first.
Uh-uh.
Ah.
Uh-uh. Wetin
Hey.
dey do? Wetin dey do? Jesus. Hello guys, welcome Mr. Ekutos here again with another serious matter has to settle as usual. Guys, we don't come again with serious gbese. I here with another client. I want to thank those of you wey dey watch, wey dey like, wey dey comment, wey dey share my videos. You guys are the best and I love you. Please do well to subscribe to my membership. Please, please, please. I love you guys. Boss abeg, wetin be your name?
My name is John.
Okay, Mr. John, abeg, I would like make you tell my fans that issue wey you carry come, wey dey worry you, wey you want make we help you settle. Abeg tell us, make we know how we wan carry help you out.
Okay, no wahala. Normally na as I be young guy, weekend don reach. I get small change and peanuts dem for my hand. Na so I just carry one bani. Mo go run small package na one or two. You understand the matter na? Money dey the hand. That's why we don reach o. I don carry her go. I don even pay sef. I no dey like old person wey I pay her sef before we reach the place. Don transfer money give her. I be carry dem give me money from work to do some kind of things the other week. I just carry the money straight. You see, oh boy, the joy, and I just carry go the place like this. We enter the place now. We don run package for morning now. I wake up, I no see this bunny. I look, maybe she dey bedroom. I look bedroom, she no dey. Look as I dey look now, I discover say my bag of money with the money wey they give me to go do work wey on top table sef, e no dey. Wetin dey happen? And funnily sef, I be get her number. Now I scroll, check, call her. This girl no pick. Call oh, call. That's why I comot for there, go find another phone, person my guy phone, use call. As she hear my voice,
Na she end the call.
na so she end the call. I don try to call this girl, I no understand. I no get money, and I never even do the work. Na be the bad thing o. And I play better money o. I no even know how I wan start from. I no even know how I wan start from because this money now, next this thing, we dey run. I don dey give her excuse. I don dey give her excuse
For the
like
work
this.
because she never do am and the money no dey.
The money no dey.
She don carry the money back.
Carry money back. I dey call this girl tire. I don use different number. She just hear say na my voice. She don call the call. Don't even try. No, I no just. Na me go for carry my hand fight trouble o. I dey like keep myself.
You no get girlfriend.
I no get. I love matter. No, leave that
Okay, you
one.
no dey do love. Okay, na just dey carry
But na
emotion.
mo dey do love. I no dey do love.
So now the girl wey you don carry na the olosho wey you don carry na don rob you. So now you dey come find solution. Why una no fit just calm down? Why you be young man and you fine? No be say you dey work, you get money. Why you no just calm down, look for one fine girl, dey with? Why?
Boy, you know easy like that. You know easy like that, bros. You know easy.
So
But
now
that
na
one
problem e don enter now.
na problem. Now they come tell
And she
you.
no dey pick your call. Carry your money plus the money wey you transfer give her for the
Transfer give her.
wiping.
Oh, but the girl everything. I no sure get with this one. Everything that the girl just collect.
Which kind thing be this one?
I just tire. I don't think that they call me like this. I don't dey give them excuse. They call me. I don't give them excuse. I don't tire now. You want reach 2 weeks. I don't tire for the whole matter. I don't tire. Oh God.
So now so how you carry reach me?
Nah, just dey grow Facebook. Now I just see your video. I just go online see your video. Now I say just see other things wey you don do. Now I say why anyhow wey na way anyhow. You like bad pass.
Wow. Una dey really dey carry una hand dey put una self for problem. Then una go come dey stress people. Carry us come put for matter. Which kind matter be this one?
I tire for this one. I tire for myself for this matter. I no know. I just lose guard. If even leave the thing open like that. Say and funny thing say she see me. They do the thing. I don't feel say na normally she go do her business, carry herself go na wake up before me. Don't I no even know her sleep. I don't even like she blow me something self. Don't
wow.
Oh boy. Just carry this in bag every money. She no even leave 5 naira herself from the bag. The bag now she carry full bag of money now she carry go. The girl, oh God, Jesus Christ.
John, I don't hear what you talking. You go give me her number and I go call her. Then we go ask her. You say she dey do hookup.
Nah,
No wahala. I know how I go carry bring her come. Then we go ask her question. We go ask her where the money dey. She go provide am.
But if you do that one, I go dey grateful. I go dey very grateful.
Guys, una don hear the matter. And then they put themselves for problem. They go come carry us, come put for the center of the problem. But anyways, now my work be this. I go do it. So after I go call her and we'll find her. She go come meet us. And go ask her question. Maybe know where she don't carry your money go. Please don't go anywhere. Keep watching this video. Let us see how this is going to end. Let's go. Okay, I don't call her and she will come. I no go like me she see you. No worry, everything will be alright. I go try my best. Make I see how your money will come out. So just go there with my camera. Once you come, I will give you signal to come out on me. So I don't want me to see you since I use one kind scope color. So let's go, just go there. Guys, I don't call her. Moko wait for her to come. That money will come aside. Moko see how this thing dey go. Just don't go anywhere. Let's wait for her. She's on her way. Hey, what's up?
Hi,
My name is
hello.
Sandra.
I'm Esther.
Esther.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I missed your name. So how you dey be now?
I'm fine.
Okay, so straight to business, no be to beat about the bush. So how much
Yeah.
you dey collect?
Because like 30.
30K
Yeah.
for short time or for full time?
For short time.
For short time.
Yeah.
How much you dey collect for overnight?
Overnight going to cost you 50.
50K.
Yes.
Hope say you sabi wipe. No be you can't. But you are looking do 360 now. Do a 360. Ah, you are looking sharp. Oh. Hope
Thank
say you
you.
sabi do the work. No be I no wan come pay
Yes.
money for something wey be say I
Very
no go
well.
enjoy. Hope say you go treat me well.
Yes. Yes.
You feel you dey handle threesome.
Threesome.
Even if
Kinda.
say kinda. So if you add money, you go feel handle.
Yes.
You go feel handle the two of us well.
Yeah.
Because na me and my guy follow come.
Okay.
Yeah, you go
No
feel do
problem.
am well.
Yes.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm very sure.
No be to say yes. So I no wan pay money. I no go enjoy everything I pay for. You go fit
I am
handle am
sure.
well. You
I'm
are sure?
Yeah, I'm very sure.
Okay. Oya, you go wait make I call my guy wey
No
you follow me
wahala.
come so that we go package know how much we wan.
Yeah.
Oya, just wait. And na my guy be this.
Na three you must give me my money.
Na she be this.
Na the nonsense there be this one. Where my money?
Do I know you?
You dey speak English for me. Do I know where? Do I know you? Do I know you?
Wait, you don't know this guy?
I don't
No
know.
be you be Esther Benson. This in transfer this
Wait,
money.
Mercy.
No,
Esther
I don't
Benson.
know
No be
you.
you.
No be
No be
no be
you.
tell me say your name na Esther. No be Esther. So
See,
na she be this.
Na the nonsense there be this one now.
You
They
see,
speak.
me I no dey carry hookup girl. No vex. Na the reason wey make me call you be this. You know this guy?
My money.
No, I don't know.
You don't know him?
I go slap you.
Where is his
My
money? Where him money?
What money? Which money are you
Oh,
talking
but this
about?
English now this English I go slap you. My money.
Guy, I beg, I don't know what they talk
Na
about.
now you don
I
start
don't
to dey
know
talk.
wetin
You no know wetin dey talk about.
Wetin they talk?
But you
Which
know
one
am,
be
you
money?
know
I
am.
don't know am.
You don't know me. When you dey ada, you don't know me. If I see, I don't want to talk too much. You bring my money.
Where
Bring my
him money? Where him money dey? Where him money
No,
dey?
those
Which
the
one where
DC
him
people
money?
they
Where
wear
him money?
the
Which kind money
thief.
na?
They
Which
waka
one be which kind money?
You
Which
no
kind
go
money na they
focus
talk
on
about?
one
You say
thing.
you come here for business. Now this thing you come
Eh,
here.
na
That
the
business
business.
go kill
Come
you.
this side. No
That
go.
business
You
go
want
kill
now
you.
stay for this side.
I don't focus on one thing.
Okay, you then call you for business. You go business. Come
Go
go
dey
thief.
thief.
Why you go do like this? As you fine so. Why you go do like that now?
Speak
Abeg,
English.
I no come here for too much long talk. Where the money na serious na important something.
Guy, if you not ready for business, talk make I dey
Who
waka
sh-
come
Go where?
here.
That
Which one
business
be
go
na
kill
here you
you.
come me?
My
You
money.
call me for this kind thing.
Stand for this place. Where the money? Where the
Which
money?
kind money na you talk
You
about?
don't know this guy.
I don't
See,
know.
look that side. See, look that side. See those army people. If you no come, then go come here. Then go beat you. That money go see. Then go beat you till blood go come off your body, and you go bring out that money one every time. So talk. Where the money? You go. They say I come alone. See them. Look them. They see them. They see camera. They video you. Talk. Oya, where you keep your money? They can't lie for you. You want lie for me? You know me. You know me. Oya, talk. Where you keep your money? I tell you, so no worry. Your money go. If you do too much, they go. Where is the money?
See, now my money be this. Bring this your nonsense this week. Now my money.
Guy,
This
you
one now
need
my
to calm down.
Which one be you need to come this side? Come this side.
I go use in
Come
front
the
the
guy.
door.
Calm down. Where the money now?
And which money? The money I no collect any money.
Don't say no. See,
I no collect
see,
money.
better bring that money.
Guy, abeg no be calm down. You no go ask where the money now?
One that they treat me like thief. I no collect money.
Oh God, we dey treat you like thief or you be thief.
I no collect your
Which one be
money.
you no
Which
collect
money
it?
they talk about? I no even know.
You no know.
I no know.
So now he just wake up on money because he don dey mad.
But I show you
But
your
you
details.
na your
account
details be
na,
this. Him send 30,000 naira to you, abi no send 30,000. Wait, make una two hook up knack, abi una no knack.
No na.
Una no knack. So wetin your
God.
account name?
Make una no fire you.
Wetin your name come dey find for there? Account name and account number.
I no collect your money, okay?
There you go. So I just like to send money to give you now. I just like to. I dey rush charity organization.
I
just
show
send
you
money
those.
give
Okay, you know wetin go sup now. Shey you no collect the money?
I no collect.
You no collect the
I
money?
no collect.
Guys, she said she no collect the money. So like this now, Guy, na that police station we are going. We dey arrest you. Dey go that place now.
Now.
We dey arrest. What? Oh, carry am wey dey go. Jesus. Jesus.
Hey. No, not too fear.
Jesus.
Not too fear. No fear. This are the joke. This are quiet to complain.
Ah.
No, calm
Who
down.
shall be
Calm
maka
down.
no too fear? No be say just vanish for here.
Wait, now calm down. That one I be dey sleep. Like that nonsense
Jesus.
will happen. Just
Wetin happen?
Wait, calm down. Hold this thing first. Hold this thing first.
Wetin dey do? Wetin dey do? Jesus. Wait.
Why did they bring me back here?
You dey crazy.
The man.
Where
Where the money? Where the money?
They sleep. Just dancing.
Jesus. Hold on. Where the money? Where the money?
I know the joke. This one is small, though.
Where the money?
Na rehearsal.
The money dey your hand.
But it's not complete.
You no matter how far you go collect am. See, but you go complete that money. You must complete am. You must complete that money.
You get mind. You tell me my money no complete.
The money no complete now.
I go scatter.
So you be one vanish. So you be one run.
No, leave.
You be one run.
Because I sleep for you. That one.
Hey,
That one.
Jesus.
I beg you now.
So
Just
you
collect
una
now.
which kind problem be this one?
See, no, calm down. No fear. No.
I dey fear o.
Nothing dey happen. Nothing dey happen. You go run mad though. Where my money?
Abeg, see, we don't. Una don.
Just collect the
You go carry. See, no, you no dey collect any. You go return the money. For you to carry that money, you go steal somebody money. You go return the money full. You go return the full money. No dey carry am move. Abeg, hold it.
My money.
Carry am move. Dey go. Dey go return that full money.